Hey, what's up, guys? Mr. Surplus Nut. Let's continue with this review that I'm making on this reloading scale for precision shooting bench rest. If you want to get your stuff really precise, right on the money. And I was left off talking about the different qualities, how you can tell just by looking at it. It's just my weight. The Gen Pro 250 is just a higher quality piece of equipment, and basically, we already covered everything that you get when you get the scales, and I just wanted to let you guys know both scales are already calibrated. They've been on for a long time, and let's go ahead and get started. Let's start doing some test here, and basically on the other review that I'm gonna do, or the other video, we're gonna get in a little bit more into the so you guys can really understand the difference between a standard reloading scale, again from RCBS, Lyman, or Harnedy, or a high precision reloading scale that basically is used for labs, jewelry stores that they really can make a mistake on diamonds and things like that. You can't, remember, when you're dealing with diamonds, rubies, and precious stones, you can't be freaking measuring to 1/100th of a grain. Come on, because so they're gonna go with a more of a precise piece of equipment. So basically, on this review, I just want to show you, see if we can get it real close here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the little dome of the my weight scale. Now, how did I test the precision on both of these? I'm gonna tell you right now. I went ahead and got the reloading dish. I put on each one, I tear it out. If you hear that word, you're not used to it, it's the same thing as saying zeroing it out. Okay, you zero out your pan so it'll weight whatever's on there without the weight of the pan. Okay, so right now each one is zeroed out. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Well, they're not. I guess I forgot to do it, just left it running for a while. So we're gonna go ahead. Let me see if I can get this real close so you guys can see the actual display on it. I guess I'm gonna have to accommodate the scale in a different way. Let me go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and do that. I mean, that will be the best way to get it right on there. You know what? Let me try to turn one of these lights off. I still can't get it real close so you guys can see what we're doing here. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's just a matter of moving it forward. No big deal. There we go. Let's get it real close so you guys can see the difference on both scales. Okay. So let's go ahead and work on that. And Basically, we're gonna go ahead and put in the 20-gram weight on there, and let's see how much that weighs. Oh, I gotta change that because you know what? I have it on the grain units. So let me go ahead and go to, okay, let's go ahead and take this off. Let's go ahead and go to tare and change the units to grams. That's carrots, grams. I think we're in grams now. Let's do the RCBS too. This one's real easy because this reloading ones from RCBS, they only give you either grams or grains. So I think we're in grams now. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw it on here. And yeah, I don't know if you noticed the G flashing till it actually settled down. Let's get a little closer. Okay, so if you notice, this one has the decimal point after the 20, and it actually measures to thousands, okay, where the RCBS won't do that. I also have a 20 grams weight on this. We're gonna throw it on the RCBS one. Okay, measures 20. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and take the 20s off. And okay, let's take the 20s off. Let's zero them both. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put them again. 20. And we're gonna put 20 on this one. 20. Okay, let's wait a little while. We got time. Okay, so they're both, there we go. You see the difference already? RCBS, it's already drifting from the calibration settings. Look at the might weight, how it's staying on there. Back it off a little bit. It's staying on there. No fluctuation at all. Okay, so let's just take this off again, the 20. And we'll go ahead and go with a 30. Let's put the 30 and go 1 to 0. Let's put the 30. There we go, 29.9999. And on this other video that I'm gonna make, we're gonna cover all that stuff about how it goes so much into the 9999s. Okay, so basically that's pretty much right there saying 30 grams. Let's go ahead and put it on the RCBS one. 30. Okay, let's see if it jumps to 30.01. Give it a little while. There we go. See what I'm talking about? That's plus or minus 1/100th of a grain. Alright, and it'll do the same as if you're dumping 42 grains, 33.5, 44.8. You know, it's gonna be plus or minus. Okay, let's go ahead and use a bigger scale, our 50-gram scale. Let's put it on the My Weight Gen Pro 250. Boom, right on the money. 50. Okay, there we go. 50. Let's move the weight, 50-gram weight, to the RCBS Rangemaster 750. 50 grams. They've both been on for like 8 hours warming up. Okay, there's no air conditioning draft. There we go, 50.01. Okay, you want to try that again? Let's try it again. 50 gram weight back into the Gem Pro. Look at that, 49. Boom, 50. Woo! Aren't we in business? Can't wait to go shooting after reloading with this thing. 50. Let's jump it back. 2, and you notice the RCBS says stable. 0, a minus on each side. If you guys know about RCBS scale, that tells you that it's on there. Okay, 50. Let's give it not even half a minute. It'll probably go to 50.1, and if you leave it here for like 5-10 minutes, I've seen this thing go up to like 50.2, 50.3. Okay, so that's what we got, guys. That's what it is. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there for now, just to show you guys as far as both of them being calibrated, by putting a weight on there, the actual accuracy of just the calibration feature on it. Okay, let's go back with the 20 gram weight. Look at that, how quick. Boom, 20, and it gives you all the way to the thousands. See that last 9, 19.999. That's fine. You're at 20, I guarantee you. Okay, you are at 20. You can bring this down. Okay, bring this down. Right there, you can even reload and be safe that you are at 20. Okay, we'll go ahead and put it over here. 20. Give it a couple minutes and it'll probably go to 20.01. And that's what I can just deal with, you know. I mean, have a peace of mind that this thing is not really, you know, and that's what it is. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna continue with another parts of this. The next video is gonna be actually using powder by dumping a few kernels on there. You'll see which scale is gonna pick it up first, the weight on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some precision weighing, so you guys can see, you know, how the RCBS when it's off from the My Weight Gem Pro 250. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Stick with it. Throw anything you have away. If you have one of those the hopper in the back, the automatic dispenser crap, dude, you will get better groups if you go to one of these. Check you guys out later.